Thinking about moving to Ireland? Good news, it has some of the easiest PR pathways in Europe. Ireland offers high salaries, a safe environment, and outstanding quality of life, plus friendly, welcoming communities. Pathway 1, the Critical Skills Employment Permit, ideal for skilled professionals in IT, engineering, healthcare, and finance. This permit offers fast-track processing and allows your family to join you with dependent rights. Pathway 2. Graduates from Irish universities can move from student visa to work permit and then PR. Graduate pathways offer clear, step-by-step routes to residency, letting you build a long-term life in Ireland. Pathway 3. The Startup Entrepreneur Program, perfect for innovative founders seeking to launch or expand a business. It provides residency for successful applicants and their families, supporting long-term growth in Ireland. Pathway 4. The Immigrant Investor Program, designed for investors and retirees looking for a secure, family-friendly future. Investors gain residency, access to quality health care, and the opportunity to live in a peaceful country. Pathway 5. Joint Family Permits support spouses, children, and elderly parents, reuniting loved ones in Ireland. Family pathways mean both reunification and security, with strong rights and a welcoming Irish community. Ireland offers world-class education and a truly welcoming environment for newcomers from every background. From students to professionals, entrepreneurs to families, there's a pathway tailored for you in Ireland. Ready to explore your future in the Emerald Isle? Ireland could be your next home.